This man hiccuped for 68 years straight. Meet Charles Osborne. In 1922, a simple fall changed his life forever. After the fall, Charles started hiccuping, and he just couldn't stop. For an unbelievable 68 years, Charles hiccuped non-stop. He tried countless treatments, from medical to home remedies, but nothing worked. His persistent hiccups earned him a spot in the Guinness World Records. He hiccuped an estimated 430 million times. That's about 20 to 40 times per minute. Despite the constant hiccups, Charles led a relatively normal life until his hiccups mysteriously stopped in 1990.